On guys, West here. Today I will be showing you my bird, Kevin. He is a Galah. He's outside now, in his cage. Let's go and see him. There was a video of him hopping around. I think I put that up. And if not, then I'll look at it for him. Rocky. That's Rock. Bond, you can sort of see his Soph, Soph's down there, you can see it leg. And there's Joe, the cat. Hey, Soph. Ah, right. Kev. Hey, buddy. Heyo. Wanna come out? Ah, yeah. Come on. Jump down. Good boy. Pretty motorbike. Here. Where is it? Is it going to go past? No. Other road. What are you doing? Wait, where are you going? Come here. You gonna go past? Go past. God damn it, he's over there. What are you doing? Kev. Oh shit. Wait. Come on, jump on. What are you doing? Hey? Oh. You've already scratched me. No. Oh, let's go over here. Look, there's the shadow. Oh, calm down. Stay still and you might not fall off, alright? Oh, stay on. Come on. Jump on there. Good boy. Oh, careful. It's not all solid. Careful. That's not exact. You can't stand there. Look, you can't stand there. I'm sorry. You can't. No standing. Hey. Careful. You're an idiot. So this is Kevin's cage. Well, his other two. I told you not to stand there. That's his big one over there. He's there at night time. And I let him out every morning. Usually half an hour ago, but I forgot. Or not forgot, I just didn't do it. And he usually just wanders around all day. Like, we've got all backyard to walk around, eat all the grass, and then if he's tired, if already has, if that cage door hasn't blown shut, then he will go in there and rest. Well, get out of it. Yeah, this is his ramp he gets up to obviously get in his cage. I got him on my foot, so I had to kind of walk retarded. So yeah, he's got his. Oh, there. Two of them just flying past, and he's making noises. His wings were clipped, so he can't fly, so that's why I let him out. Or he'd be flying off with them. Not them, but, yeah, he'd just fly off. Yeah, his food's in that one, and his drinks there. He usually just goes in there if he wants to sit down for a while, get something to eat, drink. He's dancing. You climb up my leg, come on. I can't do this forever. Keep climbing. Keep coming. Come here. Jump on. He wants to get on my shoulder, but I don't let him because he climbs on your neck where there's no shirt and it hurts. Don't you? Hey, don't you? He whistles. What else did he do? If you can hear him. Do it. Do it. Come on. Yeah. He usually just goes sort of noises. He did it then. He dances. He cuddles like that. What else do you do? He dances. Yes, I know that. He hops like a kangaroo. When he's happy, usually when I let him out, but he just didn't do it today. I might have been a bit late. And he's upset. He looks in his mirror. Yeah, there it is. Makes bird noises, Galah noises, because they just flew past again. He must have heard them, and oh, yeah, he whistled. Whistle again. Come on, whistle. If you can hear him, he's coming to get the phone. No, no, Kevin. God, you dick. Go whistle. Hear it? Yeah. He does that as well, sort of. Usually dances. Dance. Dance. Not attack my shirt. Wait, look, who's that? Who are they? You're not making noises. Can't hear him. Too busy wandering around. So yeah, that's Bonnie. This, imagine a heap of these on each end of these. And there was probably about 10 of them. Now there's just the 3, or 3.5. Yeah, he chewed them all off. Yeah. I think that they all are. Some of them. There was more. There was another point there that he kept biting at. There's a certain seed he really likes. The sunflower seeds, I think. These little. Yes, you can see them. These little. There. Yeah, sunflower. You got corn? Doesn't like corn. One more. Oh. Let's go see another sun, eh? What else? Did you do anything else? He would stay on my shoulder all day if he could, but yeah. Yeah, you just wander around, don't you? He's an alcoholic too. Like, he drinks beer. And he likes bottle caps. Really? You don't? So yeah, this is the Kevinator, and he'll see you next time. What are you doing? Kev? Come here. Come on. Run. Run. Freeze. Come on, run again. Run again. Come on, over here. This is your exercise. Come.
Just a little hopper. A bit like that Maggie crossed the road that time.
Yeah. Hey. My shoe. Come on, exercise time again. More. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. This doesn't mean. Ow. Come on, come on. Ah. Let go. Come on. Have you seen him running, Dad? Come on. And again. Kev! Come on! You're missing it. Come on! Come on! Kev! Run! Come on. Come on. Oh. 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 I gotcha. There, Kevin. What are you doing? Chill? Chill? Yeah. He's waving. Wave. Good boy. Can you dance? Get out of it. Can you get on your cage? Good boy. Oh, 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 oh. You fell. You're right. Oh, you idiot. He just fell. He fell and just flew right at me. Cage. What are you biting me for? I just saved you, you dick. You're a dick. Dick. Who's that? Do you not like him? Hmm? Get back in cage? Come on. Cage time. Oh, I know you don't want to. Too bad. You have to. Come on. In you go. Come on. I've never put him in. I've never done this before. Get him to go and by himself. Kevin, get off the phone. No, let go. You're an ass. Oh, you're gonna fall. Let go. Shit. Oh, you little. Let go of it. Thank you. Now get in your cage. Now. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye. He usually waves.